We're here with our 1986 Mercedes-Benz 300E. We're going to take out the back seat to see if we got any treasures in the back. So to take it out, you got to press this orange button, press it back, and go down, press and go down. That one's released. Now we're going to press the second one. Oh, it came up. Let's see. Let's see if you have any hidden treasures in there. Flip it up. And there's nothing back here. Nothing back here. No, sorry. No money, no nothing. Nothing back here.
Not even chewing gum.
Maybe a couple of cobwebs, but that's it. There's nothing back here. Let's see. No, nothing back here. Maybe someone's been here already. They cleaned it all out. All right, we're gonna put the seat back in. We're gonna make sure our seat belts are out of the way, and we're gonna put it back in. Push the other side. Make sure the seat belts are out of the way. Gonna go on the other side and kick it in.
What if you push it so it lines up with the other thing? Okay, that lines up with the material.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't have it lined up. One clicked in. Now we're going to go on the other side.
Push the seat in first.
Push it in. Okay. Okay, it clicked in. Whew. That was a workout. Got it in. It's nice and secure. Hear the two clicks in there, and your seat is now back in. That's how you take out a rear back seat on a 300E.